Hello everyone. Sorry here. Thank you so much for joining me for an unboxing of a Love From Lizi monthly card kit, and this is April's. It's called Love Notes. So let me just dig into this. I've already looked at everything. It's quite an amazing collection of products, and I can't wait to show you what's in it. And I'll just take it off screen so that we can all be in suspense together. And with every kit, there's always cardstock. And with this kit, we have white, which is alcohol marker friendly, pink, black, strawberry red, and sunshine. Those are some nice, bold, bright colors. You also get 3 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. It is already cut for you so that it can fit in the box. And the first side is the patterns, and then the other side is your cutaways, and they're cut in a way so that they don't destroy them. So you have the gingham red on this side, and then you have some big cutaways here, and then your smaller ones, and you have a bunch of different little sentiments here. Like you have photography type sentiments, then you have happy memories, documented, so some journaling. This made me my heart melt. So some fun ones there. The other sheet is almost like a greenish teal, aqua maybe, and it has the same a tone on tone with hearts. And then there's more cutaways. These are medium sized. And then you have white with black hearts. And on the other side you have large cutaways, and then here's some more large ones here. So these are all square cutaways. These are all nice and fun. You can add them to your cards. There is also 12 6x6 double-sided pieces of pattern paper. So we have some hearts here and a red with some floral. Here's some cutaways, and here's strips. So those are kind of fun when you're just following some card sketches or you just want to have a little bit of a border. And that's those hearts, but it's in a smaller version. Typewriter with some pink. You have this ledger almost with a typewriter and a fun rainbow background. Here's some cutaways and the black and white hearts. Here's the flowers with a grid and then a green and squiggly border. Frames and a blue grid. Then you have some more cutaways with, what are those? Pens and calligraphy pens. We have this, I love this color, this mustard yellow, and then on the other side is your plaid. We have cameras, and then a nice dark with blue with some pluses, more cutaways and gingham, and here's a nice floral pattern, and then a nice light blue with white pattern on the back. So those are all the pattern papers that you get. You also get a piece of 6x6 vellum, which has black background on it, like a pattern, and then it's foiled with gold hearts. So that's a nice little shine there. There are 8 sticker sheets, so quite a few different elements you can play around with here. A lot of these are like the cutaways, so you can just mix and match. Some sentiments. You have a bunch of flowers you can work with, frames with sentiments, lots of small little sentiments. Well, those are great for just adding a little extra. You have the alphabet and borders. Story does, kind of fun. Yeah, so lots of fun options with the stickers. You also are getting the stamp set here. This is the Love Notes stamp, and there's this big, huge typewriter. It looks like you can fit your sentiments on this paper. So there's our friendship is my favorite story, the greatest love story of all times, and they lived happily ever after, sending love, a little love note is ours is yours, once upon a time, just a note. So you can stamp this big typewriter out and then put your sentiment in there, and that's kind of fun. And there's a lot of different background fillers here that you can use. It's kind of really pretty, all the flowers, and they have a little bit of details on all of them. Kind of fun. There is a die that's in this kit, and this one is called the Love Notes Floral Border Die. This is a really neat one. I love how simple this die is. It's very clean. And the fun part is when you die this, or when you cut this on paper, anything below is going to stay, and then you'll have the florals on the top. And you can kind of see where it's going to be not cut. It's right around these flowers and all along here. So everywhere. So it's not going to be, you're not going to cut this and it's going to give you this exact shape. And I'll be definitely playing with that. I think this is pretty cool. The peel-offs you get in this kit, which is what is always exciting about the Love from Lizi card kits, is the peel-offs. And this one is white with the gold trim. Really pretty. And I believe this is a new one to the shop. And you also get a sampling of 5 strips of black glitter. So this is not, this one you can actually feel the glitter on it. It's not like the shimmery ones. This is a little bit different. And so this is also new. And I like this one. This one's really pretty. Of course, black borders. You can use them anywhere. So that is a good collection. And then you get the embellishment bag. This kit just keeps on giving. This is quite a lot of stuff. We'll start off with some, and I will say that the fun thing about Love from Lizi's is the little embellishment kits or bags, because you never know what you're going to get, and they're just fun to learn and play with. And with that, I will say the first piece you get is black mesh. Look at that. That's actually really cool. This can be something you can just tuck behind and layer. Just has this fun weave effect. I don't even know how this thing is staying together. Oh, I see. There's actually really fine stuff. Wow. So that's the first thing. You get 3 pre-tied bows. So if you do not like tying bows, this is already done for you, and you get 3 of them. There are 6 buttons. You will get 3 heart ones and 3 circular ones. They are made out of wood and nice and solid. They feel nice in the hand. Really cute. So you could paint these if you wanted to, if you want to change the color. I'm sure there's lots of things you can do with these. These are really cute. And you also get different types of twine and string. So here's the black and white twine. You get a gold foiled ribbon. There is the black ribbon. And then you get a sequence ribbon. I'm going to call it a ribbon. I don't know if it's classified as a ribbon, but it's a sequence on string. And it's gold. It's really fancy. Really pretty. And then the last thing that you get in this kit is the bling. So here is some green, I want to say emerald green. You get quite a few of these. So that is what's in the card kit for April, and it's called Love Notes. Now there are also bundles that you can add on when you are getting the card kit. And for this month, there is the Love Notes pin bundle. So what you're getting is your red with gold finish. You have your gold mirror, your ice blue mirror, and the apple green mirror. The other bundle is the Love Notes variety bundle. And so you have black stars, sway pink iridescent glitter. So this is different than this glitter. This is, you can feel the glitter on this one. This one would be smoother. It's like built into the strips, if that makes sense. The butterfly border, this is the gold moon dust. So they have, the whole thing just has a nice strip of butterflies. And then you have the straight mint glitter. Now, I'm pretty sure that one is also smooth, if I feel it. Yeah, so this one does not have that feel of glitter. That's the second one. And then there's also the specialty bundle cardstock. And they come in going to say specialty papers. That's what I'll call it. So you have the black glitter. Ooh, hello. You have the golden mirror. Green glitter. Look at that. And this is very soft. It's very smooth. You have red mirror and black mirror. And this one, look at that. This is the matte gold mirror cardstock. That is fantastic. I love that. So that would be the specialty cardstock bundle. So this is the card kit over here. It has so many fun items to play with. You have the cardstock, your pattern papers, lots of choices of cutaways, vellum. You have your stamp set, your floral die. You have all these stickers that includes borders, sentiments, frames, and elements like flowers. Then you have your strips and your Love From Lizi white, well, they're both Love From Lizi peel-offs. Then we have the white hearts with the gold. And then all of these embellishments that you can play with twine, ribbons, buttons, bling of a sequence, and then your emerald bling over here. Then over here is bundles that you can purchase in addition that coordinates with this product. So I'm very excited. I will be creating some cards working with this, so definitely keep an eye out on my channel and Instagram to see what I create. So if you like this, definitely check out the link in the description box below. That will take you right there. And until the next time, have a fantastic, wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care. Bye.